Hi boys and girls. So today we are going to talk about the exclamation mark. Now before we begin, do you remember this mark? Yes, that mark is called the question mark. And remember, I told you when you are reading, you need to raise your voice. Great. Well, today we are going to talk about the exclamation mark, which also tells us what to do. First of all, the exclamation mark looks like a line, a straight line down and a dot at the bottom, right? So this exclamation mark also tells us what to do. So let's go on. Now, first of all, when we are speaking, we use our voice to show how we feel. And in speaking, we would raise our voice just a little bit, all right? But for the exclamation mark, there's a lot of feeling that goes behind our voice. For example, if I say, I love dogs. Now you can hear how excited I am about dogs. So if I need to write I love dogs, I need to show that excitement. So let me write I love dogs. I love dogs. I want the person who is reading what I'm saying, I want that person to realize how I feel. So I'm going to put an exclamation mark. It goes like this. So the person who is reading it, they are going to understand that there's a lot of strong feeling behind what I'm saying. So let's read what I have here. Right. I love dogs. I love dogs. Can you hear the feeling that I'm giving out when I'm talking? I love dogs because I'm excited. I really love dogs and I'm excited. So let's see what happens if I don't use the exclamation mark. Okay, so let me, what about if I change that exclamation mark? Oopsie doopsie. Let me put back my G. Right. Let's see if I change that exclamation mark and I put a full stop. Tell me if you hear the excitement in my voice. I'm going to read it. I'm ready to read it. Tell me. I love dogs. Do I sound exciting? Do I sound as though I have a strong feeling that I want you to know? Nope, not at all. So what happens is that the full stop is not needed in a case like that. I want to use a mark that will show how exciting I am, how excited I am, and how strongly I feel about loving dogs. Let us try the question mark. Let's see if that will work. Remember, the question mark tells you what to do. Let's see if that works. Let's read it. I love dogs. Does it sound as though I am excited and I'm saying something very strongly? No. I raise my voice, which means I am trying to ask a question. That doesn't work. So the question mark does not work. So what I need would be the exclamation mark, and that mark shows how excited I am about dogs. I'm going to read it again. I love dogs. Are you hearing the feeling in my voice? That's what the question mark, that's what the exclamation mark does. So let me erase that, and I'm going to show you another way we can use the exclamation mark. So let's say I want you to follow an instruction. Most times, mommy says, brush your teeth. or daddy says, brush your teeth. Now, the way they say it, we would know that they want us to follow an instruction or that they are giving us a command. So let me write that. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Now, can you hear your mommy saying, brush your teeth? Can you hear your daddy saying, brush your teeth? Right. So I want that to be shown in how I write it, so that anybody who is reading these words will know that my mommy gave me or my daddy gave me an instruction. Let's see. Tell me if I should use a full stop. Would mommy say, brush your teeth? Would they say it like that? No. I can't use a full stop. That doesn't show that mommy or daddy is giving me an instruction. What if I try a question mark? Let's see that. Remember, we have to raise our voice at the end. Tell me if this is how mommy or daddy will say it. Brush your teeth? No, that doesn't sound right. We can't use a question mark. It's not a question. Now, which mark will show how mommy or daddy is giving an instruction? They are telling us what to do. The exclamation mark. So we use exclamation marks also for instructions. So mommy will say, brush your teeth. Or daddy will say, brush your teeth. Right? So they are giving an instruction. Brush your teeth. And you know you must listen. You must follow the instruction. Great. So these are two ways we can use the exclamation mark. And when you look in your books, remember that the exclamation mark can either mean you need to put some strong feeling in that voice, or it is an instruction and you have to read it as though it's an instruction. So let me show you. Right. So remember, all the feelings, we can show feelings by using the exclamation mark. So if you are happy, you want to use words that show that you are happy, or you are sad, you are excited, you are afraid, you are shocked. All the feelings in writing, you can use an exclamation mark to show how you feel. Also, if you are giving an instruction, you use the exclamation mark to show others that you are giving an instruction. Okay? I hope you understand the exclamation mark. And remember always, when you're reading your books, take a look to find those marks. And remember to use your voice to show how you should read with those marks. Bye.